Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Following that, scroll down, click on Passwords over here, and click on My Passwords. Finally, just click on the one that you wish to edit and click on Edit at the top right corner. Now you can change wherever you wish to. When you finish, hit Done at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!